Hello, I am Daud Nasir from GetX Institute. PMP, Project Management Professional. It is the most in-demand certification in the field of project management. It requires considerable work to get certified as a PMP. So is it worth the effort? What is it that a PMP certified project manager has that other PMs do not have, besides, of course, the PMP certification? To answer this, we have to take a 4-step approach. The first step is to understand what motivates you. What is your need? Second step, can PMP meet your need? The third step is, do you have the capability to get this certification? And the fourth step is, do you have the capacity to take on this challenge? So let us explore these. First step, what motivates you? What is your need? You may be driven by internal desire and conviction, which is called intrinsic motivation, or it may be external factors like job hunting or salary increase, which are extrinsic motivators. So intrinsic is more about enjoying the experience, while extrinsic is more about enjoying the result. Usually our motivation comes from multiple factors with one or two primary ones. So what motivates you? Here is a quick list of some of the most common motivations to go for a PMP certification. Intrinsic reasons. I have to keep building my knowledge and skills. I want to manage complex projects in the future, so I should learn more about project management. I love challenges, and I have heard this is a difficult exam to pass. Not for me. I enjoy learning new stuff. Now, some common extrinsic motivations. Many job advertisements ask for PMP certification. I need PMP to get promotion. I want to make more money. I want to show the PMP certificate on my office wall. I want PMP written beside my name. And I want my co-workers to respect me and listen to my advice. Are any of these your reasons for motivation? You need to discover your primary reasons for motivation. Why you should go for this certification. Once you have figured out your motivation and need, move on to the second step. Can PMP meet your need? Now, from intrinsic motivation point, PMP is a difficult exam that most aspirants will find quite challenging, so it will require considerable effort to prepare. Though most of the knowledge is common sense, especially for project management experienced professionals, some topics are more complex or technical in nature. These require good comprehension and review and will bring the enjoyment for internally motivated individuals. You will learn new tools and techniques to execute various project management processes. I have applied many project management techniques in other areas and even in my personal life. After training thousands of professionals, I can say with confidence that even the people with over 25 to 30 years experience leave trainings with newly acquired knowledge. So there is definitely new stuff to learn no matter how experienced you are. Now, if you have a long-term career plan and this plan has some serious project management somewhere, PMP will be an excellent booster. Now to extrinsic motivations. Let's walk through the common reasons one by one. First reason, many job advertisements ask for PMP certification. For a project manager job posting, PMP would be either required or highly desirable. But even for non-PMP jobs, project management skills are being asked for. In my opinion, project management skills are becoming skills like how to use Microsoft Word and Excel. Here are a few examples from real job postings. First, the job title, and then what the employer is looking for. Operations manager, PMP training and or certification is a plus. Technical account rep, PMP or 3 years experience. Quality assurance manager, PMP certification is an asset. Director transit, ideally you will hold PMP designation. And Manager applications, application development. PMP certificate will be an asset. So yes, PMP certification is one of those highly desirable skills. Second reason, I need PMP to get promotion. Well, until and unless your boss actually said that you need a PMP for promotion or there is a clear-cut company policy, I doubt if anyone will get promoted or get a salary raise immediately after getting PMP certified. However, as you start showing confidence, delivering results, and taking on more responsibilities, the promotion and salary raise will come. I'll discuss more in the next reason. Third reason, I want to make more money. Survey after survey has shown that PMP holders earn higher in the long run than the non-PMP professionals. According to Forbes, PMP certification increased in value by 18.6%, jumping the median salary of about $114,000 in 2018 to about $136,000 in 2019. That is an 18% increase in a year. In February 2020, Global Knowledge published that PMP is the fifth highest grossing certification with about $143,000 average salary. CIO magazine says PMP is one of the top paying certifications. PMI, in its 10th edition of Project Management Salary Survey, reports that PMP certification holders earn 23% more than the non-PMP holders. This data was based on 33,000 respondents across 37 countries. So yes, you will make more money with the PMP certification. Fourth reason, I want to show the PMP certificate on my office wall. Of course, you can put up the certificate on the wall after earning it. It will display that you achieved the prestigious PMP certification. Only about 1 million professionals have earned it so far. You will belong to an elite group of those professionals, so there is no harm in displaying the certificate proudly. Now, having said that, this motivation will disappear once the certificate is up on the wall. You will start to look for your next certificate. Therefore, I will suggest that you review if this is your true motivation, because it may not bring a long-lasting satisfaction you desire after such hard work. Fifth reason, I want PMP written beside my name, John Doe PMP. This does add value to the name and the resume, and of course the visiting cards. It distinguishes you from other job candidates. It is an announcement that you have at least 3 years of project management experience and you are competent in the best practices of project management. You know the standard of project management and understand how project management works to bring a project to success. Many consulting and contracting firms improve their bids because they show that they have people who bring PMP certification as one of the credentials. So yes, having PMP written beside your name is a great value add. And sixth reason, I want my coworkers to respect me and listen to my advice. This is an interesting one. See, as a PMP certified, your opinion is now more knowledge-based and less intuition-based. This will bring confidence in you, but at the same time also bring respect among your coworkers. Previously, if someone in the meeting commented something related to project management, your knowledge was based solely on your experience. So you will probably have said, geez, I don't know, maybe that approach will work. You will likely not even make a remark. Now with at least as a PMP trained and hopefully certified, you know what the best practices are. So you can comment with confidence on the opinion given by your coworkers. Besides, PMP certification also shows your coworkers and managers that you are serious about your job and profession. Alright, so these were the common extrinsic motivators to get PMP certified. Now, are you sold on the idea of getting PMP certified? If yes, then move on to the third step, which is, do you have the capability to do it? Do you meet the requirements to be eligible to take the PMP exam? There are 3 requirements. First is the education requirement. The candidate must be at least a high school graduate or equivalent. If you do not have a high school diploma, but you have other education, you should contact PMI and check with them if you will be eligible or not. Second is the experience requirement. If you have a 4-year bachelor degree or equivalent, you must have at least 36 months of unique non-overlapping experience in project management and 4,500 hours of work experience in leading and directing projects. But if you have less than a 4-year bachelor degree or equivalent, for example, you have a high school diploma or an associate degree, then you need 60 months of unique non-overlapping experience in project management and 7,500 hours of work experience in leading and directing the project. Third is project management education requirement. You must have completed 35 contact hours of formal education in project management. There is no published time limit for this. So if you believe you are eligible and capable of going for the PMP exam, then the next step is, do you have the capacity to do it? Do you have the time and money to do it? I have seen several cases where the person wanted to prepare and take the exam, but couldn't because either had such a heavy workload that it became difficult to take out any time for study, or sometime was going through some family related stuff that made it hard to find time for preparation. So make sure you'll have time to spare for the prep. Next is the cost factor. The minimum cost is $555 plus any taxes for a non-member. However, as a PMI member, you will pay $405 and PMI membership fee of about $139, actually $139. So there is a saving of $11. There are many benefits of becoming a PMI member, but that is not what we will cover here. Other common cost is the training cost. It can range from a few $100s to a couple of $1,000. Look for any funding from your employer. Many employers pay the PMP exam fee and training cost for their employees. You can always provide some information to support your case. Now, if you will pay from your own pocket, then consider this as an investment in your career that is well worth it. So let's wrap it up. PMP certification is a highly desirable certification. The benefits of this certification are worth the effort for most people. I have provided you some common reasons and benefits, and I hope that these will guide you to make an informed decision. Do you have a specific question? Do you have a motivation factor not addressed here? Let us know in the comment section or just contact us. Now do not forget to subscribe to our channel if you have not done so. Press the bell icon to make sure you get notified of the latest videos. Thank you for watching.